guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, what an absolute chaotic day it has been in the crypto markets. Just check the Bitcoin's price. It is down 14% in 24 hours, which is nuts. Stock markets all around the world are collapsing today. There's freaking chaos everywhere. We've got Japan's stock market crashing. We've got South Korea's stock market crashing. European markets are down. Tech stocks are down. The United States NASDAQ is Wall Street NASDAQ is crashing as well. Absolutely wild what is happening over there around the world at the moment. And I'm excited. I don't know, call me freaking crazy. And I'm so excited. I'm having a cup of tea, ladies and gentlemen. That is great. Getting very English at the moment, huh? Having a cup of tea. English breakfast. Anyway, we're going to go over what the hell is going on today in both the crypto markets and, of course, in the stock market as well. I see this as opportunity, but a lot of people are freaking out, getting out of risk assets, each to their own. Anyway, guys, let's get into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey and have a cup of tea with me. Also, ladies and gentlemen, again, this is not financial advice. Please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And again, smash the thumbs up button down there because it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, all right? And watch the video straight through. Let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, top altcoins today in the portfolio. I mean, this was earlier today before, Japan's stock market absolutely destroyed the crypto market. Top altcoins were Vane, Casper, Acro, Ubix Network, and XYO, which is really nice as well. Going to coin market cap today, I mean, it's absolute bloodbath. Like, it's insane. This has happened multiple times in crypto cycles. This happened the previous and the one before that as well. So it was a major pullback. And again, I see this as an incredible opportunity. Not many times do we get an opportunity to buy Bitcoin at a 15.45% discount. Seriously, right? Look at all these assets. I mean, there's $1.85 trillion total market cap, $184 billion in volume, right? There's a lot of people buying. No BS. The fear and greed index is sitting at 31. Bitcoin dominance is 56. I mean, look at this. Everything is down 20, 30%. I mean, some altcoins are like 18, 30% even. It's nuts. It's a complete bloodbath. It's unbelievable. Buying opportunities everywhere. In actual fact, I want to have a look at a couple. I mean, XLM right there is at 8 cents, right? Hedera at 4 cents. VeChain, 1 cent. Sui's at 49 cents. Come on, it's incredible. Look at this. Algorand is at 10 cents. Where is Quant? Let's just go straight to this. I don't care. I'm getting into this. I'm loving it right now. Where is Quant? I'm going to find XDC's at 2 cents. Mind blown. WorldCoin, $1.42. Axi's at $4. Quant is at 54 US dollars today, down 14%. Literally, it's not financial advice. If people wanted to, right? It's a bit cold in the office, but I mean, if you literally wanted to make 14, 15% potentially in the next, 24, 48 hours, not financial advice, right? But anyway, this is what I'm talking about right here. And yes, that's a doorbell for my e-commerce store, but $51,000 is down 15%. 26% in the last 7 days. Let's have a look here on 30 days, 9.85. 90 days, 19.44. In the last year, this is what people don't understand. They're freaking out right now, but it's still up 77.12%. 77%. And I mean, I don't need to go into all time, but I mean, look at this. 83 million %. Zoom out. Because again, yeah, it's a big correction, but there's big things coming in this space. We didn't have ETFs the previous bull market or the one before that. So, there's institutional money in them. I mean, there's massive institutions buying up out. But anyway, guys, again, let's go to Wall Street Bull University. Yes, if you haven't joined up, go join the Wall Street Bull University. It's linked below. I've got everything in here in terms of news, crypto trading bots, my buys, sells, trades, indicators, you name it, goes up in here. I did post up a massive dividend that came in from one of my investments. You'll need to go join up for that. Do not miss that. I mean, that was a big dividend there coming in. So again, very, very bullish time for investing. I mean, for me anyway, it's insane. I mean, there's opportunities everywhere at the moment, even in the stock portfolio. It's crazy. Anyway, go join up. Link is below. The trading bots are still working the spot market. I mean, they're down significantly, but we'll see how they go. Forget about the leverage ones. That is just completely wiped. So it is what it is. I didn't have much in there to be honest, but again, this is the risk when you're trading with any kind of leverage, all right? Spot trading ones are still working though. Now, I want to get into the news. What the hell actually happened today? But Japan stock market crash. What happened? Again, this is in relation to the ASX 200 here in Australia as well. Japan's Nikkei 225 plummets following the Bank of Japan's interest rate hike, triggering a global sell-off in the risk assets, including cryptos and US futures. This is what's happened today, right? The carry trade unwinds as borrowing costs increase and the yen strengthens, forcing traders to liquidate assets, potentially leading to a cascading effect globally. So this was the first domino in a range of dominoes, right? This is going to be huge for Wall Street. I'm really fascinated to see what's going to happen tonight. Australians, again, stock market, the ASX, suffers significant losses, with the ASX 200 experiencing a one-day drop since the worst one-day drop since May 2020. Pandemic, right? Anyway, that's basically what's happened. Everybody's selling off risk assets. They're getting rid of them. But meanwhile, you have the likes of BlackRock buying up everything. There you go. But that's basically what's happened as well. European markets also plunged 2.5% as the global volatility again deepens. And tech stocks shed 3.5% in the European Open as well. FTSE's down. German stock exchange all over Europe. London time right here again. The regional stock 600 index was down 2.57%. Lower by 10:42 a.m. London time, which is crazy. Tech stocks shed as much as 5% before pairing. Losses slightly trade down. Oil and gas stocks also lost 3.6%. All this says to me is that there are buying opportunities. And yes, cheers everyone. Have a cup of tea, ladies and gents, because there's some good buys tonight. Can't wait. And yes, Bitcoin did dip below 50,000 US dollars briefly, and it's currently sitting at 51,000 at the time of recording. We'll see if it keeps dropping, all right? But it did drop to like 49,000 today, which is wild. Unbelievable. I'm still bullish on it. Ether slumped by the most since 2021. Ether posted its steepest single day plunge since 2021. The crypto fear and greed index flashed fear, and the CoinDesk 20 index dropped by nearly 20%. So, bloodbath. I see this as buying opportunity. I keep saying this, right? Again, where's the money going? Solana, BNB, Tron, TRX. Now, again, I would put that towards people, putting a lot of funds into like USDT. Again, TRX, Tron, TRC20, moving assets, right? BCH, we do have coins, Monero, Energy Web Token, which is interesting. Aptos right here, Bitcoin, and of course, there are people still buying. Anyway, let's get to X because it's absolutely wild. I mean, look at this. $1 billion in leveraged crypto positions liquidated in 24 hours. $1 billion liquidated, gone. Going back to the exchanges, this is what happens, right? Now, Bitcoin sitting at support around 52K. Looks oversold on the daily RSI. I mean, a lot of analysis coming out here. Jimmy Cramer putting out the goods right now as well. The gold held up a lot better than crypto. Anyway, we'll see what happens with that. Anything he touches basically does the complete opposite anyway. Now, again, this is wild. Japan stock market posted its biggest second-day drop in history. Mag 7, big tech stocks, Microsoft, Tesla, all of those. Erased $1 trillion from market cap today. Crypto markets erased $500 billion in market cap in 24 hours. Markets price in a 60% chance of an emergency Fed rate cut, which there is a meeting happening today, apparently. We'll see how that goes. South Korea halts trading on their stock exchange. NASDAQ futures fell as much as 6.5% in one day. It's freaking chaos. It's unbelievable. Plan B's putting out the goods. Strong hands are buying. This is where legends are made. Completely agree. That is why, no matter what's happening in the market, I set a dollar cost averaging buy on my exchange every single week. It doesn't matter what happens. So I'm basically buying no matter what happens in the market. Michael Saylor's strategy, go look it up. Again, the pandemic crash, not crush, but it's a crush. But the crash happened, 2 years ago. Same thing is happening again. Gives you one last chance to load up. Period, right? Taiwan stock market crashes the worst day in 57 years. This is wild. Look at this. All right, Bitcoin 49,000, it dropped below 50k. Ethereum 2190. US tech stocks right hand 17,000. Again, the S&P 500 5,185. Gold is down. Crude oil is down. Here's what it is, guys. Now, again, I do want to play this clip that I put up here with Peter Lynch. It's absolute facts. Then we're going to end up on this. It's going to be a short video tonight.
Math is simple. There's been 93 years a century. This is easy to do. The market's had 50 declines of 10% or more. So 50 declines in 93 years. But once every 2 years, the market falls 10%. We call that a correction. That means, that's a euphemism for losing a lot of money rapidly. But we call it a correction. And so 50 declines in 93 years, about once every 2 years, the market falls 10%. Of those 50 declines, 15 have been 25% or more. That's known as a bear market. We've had 15 declines in 93 years. So every 6 years, the market's going to have a 25% decline. That's all you need to know. You need to know the market's going to go down sometime. If you're not ready for that, you should own stocks. And it's good when it happens. If you like a stock at 14 and it goes to 6, that's great. You understand the company, you look at the balance sheet, they're doing fine. You're hoping to get to 22 with it. 14 to 22 is terrific. 6 to 22 is exceptional. So you take advantage of these declines. They're going to happen. No one knows when they're going to happen. It would be people tell you about it after the fact that they predicted it, but they predicted it 53 times.
I like that.
So you can take advantage of the volatility in the market if you understand what you own.
It's straight facts, right? Unbelievable. Now, again, there was $1 billion liquidated. Margin calls coming in left, right, and center. Jim Cramer turns bearish on the stock market. Need I frickin' say anymore? Fed to call an emergency meeting regarding the interest rates after Japan's stock market collapse. I mean, this is basically exactly what this strategy is. Dollar cost averaging right here. It's pretty straightforward. But guys, that is pretty much it. I'm going to wait. This is crazy. Marty Party right here. Ethereum was quoting $600 gas fees. This is why I hate Ethereum, right? Anyway, Berkshire Hathaway over the weekend as well sold a lot of Apple stock. So again, they knew that this was coming. I don't know if it could be predicted that Japan's stock market would crash, but they knew something big was happening, guys. It's unbelievable. There's a lot of liquidations taking place, so be careful out there with trading. Again, buying and holding you can't go wrong with. And again, I'm just continuing to dollar cost average. But that is it. Chaos in the market because of an interest rate rise. There you go. Freaking insane. Anyway, guys, stay safe out there. Be careful with your investments. It is very volatile. But again, I see it as buying opportunity. All right, I really do, because I did the same thing during the pandemic and bought oil. And again, I've seen like 100% return. So let that one sink in for a moment. All right, guys, join the Wall Street Bull University. I'll be posting up there later on. Peace out. Bye.